Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 8. Carrying coconuts. One day, a man selling coconuts had the good fortune of having many more coconuts to sell than usual. He loaded up his horse cart to the brim and headed to the nearest village to start selling. As he was about to start his journey, he saw a young boy standing near his cart. He asked the boy, "Do you know how long it will take to reach the village?" The boy looked at the horse cart full of coconuts and said, "If you go slowly, you will reach it very soon. If you go fast, you will only reach the village by sundown." "What?" exclaimed the coconut vendor, not understanding the boy's strange logic. He smiled and went on his way. He climbed back into his horse cart and hurried out of the village. He whipped his horse again and again to make it trot faster. However, since the cart was overflowing with coconuts, many of them fell off. The coconut seller stopped the horse, jumped out of the cart and picked up the coconuts. Then he hurried back onto his horse, making him go even faster to make up for lost time. But the coconuts fell off again. The seller had to stop his horse and cart and collect the fallen coconuts again and again. By the time he reached the village, it was night time, and he had lost many coconuts on the way. That's when he realized what the young boy had meant. What a clever boy indeed. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.